Hello Year 1. This video will help you with your literacy home learning for Thursday the 14th of January. And today we're going to be looking at time connectives in our sentences. We have looked at time connectives before. Can you remember any of them that you may have used? Have a think. Here's some of the time connectives you may have used before. Let's have a read. First, then, next, after that, soon, finally, later. If you're going to write a story about things that happen in a particular order, which one do you think you would use first? Yes, first, because that's the first thing you do in a story. Which one do you think you would use right at the end? Have a think. Yes, finally. You probably use that at the end, the last part of your story. Let's see if we can use some of these time connectives in our sentence writing. Here's some pictures of the story in the order that they happened. So this picture is from the beginning of the story, and you might remember we did some sentence writing earlier. Let's have a read of the sentence. Handa put some sweet fruit in her straw basket. She walked slowly to her friend's village. So that was the beginning of our story. Let's look at what happens next. Let's use the picture to help us. Now, if you remember, there was an animal that was in the next part of the story. Can you see the picture of the monkey? And do you remember the fruit that he took? Well, monkeys like bananas, so he took a banana. Now, I've got a sentence here which has got some words missing, and I'd like you to help me complete this sentence and put the words in. So I've got word here, the, and then we need the name of the animal here, took a, and then we need to write the name of the fruit that he took. So we know that the animal's a monkey, so can you help me find the word monkey in these words at the bottom? Monkey begins with There we go. Monkey here, so I'm going to put the monkey there. So the monkey took do you remember what he took? Yes, he took some bananas. So if you can find the word banana, there it is. I'm going to put banana here. Let's have a read of our sentence so far. The monkey took a banana. Now, there's a space at the beginning here, and remember we're using time connectives. So he was actually the first animal to take the piece of fruit, so we need the connective first. Can you find it in the list underneath? Yes, it's here, first. Put that there. Let's have a read of our sentence. First, the monkey took a banana. I have my capital letter, I have my finger spaces, and I have my full stop at the end. I've named my animal, I've named the fruit that he took, and I've used my time connective. Can you help me write the next sentence? Now look at the picture and look at the animal. It's the ostrich. Do you remember the fruit that he took? Yes, it was a guava. So we need a time connective here. So first this happens, and then could you use the word then or next? I want to know what happens next. So I'm going to put the time connective next at the beginning of my sentence because I want to know what happens next. Next, and I need the name of the animal. Well, it was the ostrich, so I'm going to put that there. Let's have a read of my sentence, check it makes sense. Next, the ostrich took a, and the fruit was a guava. So I'm going to put the word guava at the end there and have another read of my sentence. Next, the ostrich took a guava. I have a capital letter, I have finger spaces all the way through my sentence, and I've got a full stop. I've used the time connective, I've named the animal, and I've named the fruit. Good sentences. Now on your purple mash you will see these pictures, and these carry the story on. So after the ostrich, you've got the zebra, the elephant, and the giraffe. So similar to what we did before, you need to choose a time connectives to put at the beginning of your sentence. You need to write the name of the animal and the fruit that they took. and there'll be words on the sheet to help you. So let's have a look at what the page looks like. So this is what your page looks like on Purple Mash. The sentences we did earlier are there. These are all the words that you can use to help you. And here are the sentences that I've just shown you with the words missing. And all you need to do is click on a word here and drag it across and put it into the space to complete the sentences. Now, to challenge yourself further, I've got some more pictures where the story carries on with what the antelope did, what the parrot did, and what the goat did. Now, for the goat, I've already written the part of the story. Suddenly, a goat ran into a tangerine tree. Lots of tangerines fell into Handa's basket. But I haven't written the sentences for the antelope and the parrot. So if you click here, there'll be a text box and you can type in a sentence for this part of the story and a sentence for the parrot part of the story. And again, there's connectives, the names of the animals and the names of the fruits there to help you with your spellings. Finally, the ending of the story is when Handa reaches the village and meets her friend. Think of how the story ends and click on this text box here and see if you can write the ending to the story. Have a go.